Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you my 7 secrets to writing on a cake. Let's do this. Secret number 1 is to dot it. So for example, when you start your H in happy birthday, start with a dot. The reason to do this is you make sure that your buttercream is stuck to the cake so that you know that your buttercream writing to follow is going to stay on the cake. And then when you end the H, for example, do another dot before you pull away your tip, because the dot is strong, so you can pull your bag away and it will break away from the buttercream. I don't do this every single time I start or stop the bag, but most of the time I do, and it's very helpful. I also think it looks really nice as well. Secret number 2 is to go big. So on the first letter of every word, make it capital and really big. And the letters following, put like in the middle of the big letter and have them be smaller. It just looks really nice this way. It gives it kind of a fancier look. You don't have to do this. I just think it gives it something. Sometimes though I don't do it on the B, which you'll see here, because I'm always worried that the T and the H are going to run into the P's. And then I usually start the B on birthday just a little bit to the left of the H. Secret number 3 is very important. It is a must. So you notice when you write, you use your fingers to make the letters. Do not do this when you pipe buttercream letters. You want to pipe buttercream letters with your shoulder. And by that I mean the only thing that should be moving is your shoulder. Think of the engraving machines, those very robotic arms that engrave like dog tags. Everything is stiff except for your shoulder. So your wrist is stiff, your fingers stay put, your elbow stays put. It's like your arm is on a pendulum and it's swinging from your shoulder. This is how you write with buttercream. And you're just going to want to use your tip like a pen, so you're just straight above your letter. You want to make sure you're applying steady pressure on the buttercream. Make sure that your bag is twisted somewhere comfortable. This is what works for me. And it's also very helpful to support your writing hand with the other hand as well. I tend to just put 2 fingers on the other side of the piping bag just to hold it steady. It's funny, since we type so much, I actually feel more comfortable writing in buttercream than I do with a pen. I was at the bank the other day and tried to write a check in buttercream. They were not having it. If you're liking this video, click the thumbs up to let me know. And if you'd like to learn how to decorate and bake more cakes and sweets, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Secret number 4 is to pipe slow, but not too slow. So if you pipe too slow, it gets squiggly, it's hard to make it smooth. It's kind of like when you're learning how to ride a bike. If you don't go fast enough, you just fall over. But you don't want to go too fast either. So the speed I'm going here in this video is a good speed. Secret number 5 is to pause after the H in birthday. It's just a good stopping point to just make sure you're going straight. If you're not, you can adjust. Birthday is kind of a long word, so it's nice to stop halfway in between. Secret number 6 is to plan ahead and beware of congratulations and anniversary. So before you start writing, you're going to want to look where these words going to fit. Congratulations is 15 letters and anniversary is 16 letters. Birthday is only 8 letters, so it's double the size of birthday. The first time you do it, you don't realize it until you totally run out of room on your cake. And if you can go with congrats instead of congratulations, I highly recommend it. Secret number 7 is to start with a bigger tip. So start with tip number 4. It has a bigger opening. It's just a lot easier to make your words look nice with a bigger tip. And then as you get better, you can go to a tip number 3. And some people stay at tip 3 forever and it looks totally fine. I'm using a tip number 2 here. That's my favorite. The smaller usually looks the best. I don't ever go to a 1 because it just gets clogged too much in my opinion with buttercream. It's not worth it. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, I don't even want to be bothered with this, I have other videos on different options of how to write on a cake. One of them, super clever way that you can trace. You should check it out. Pro tip, if you screw up your buttercream, throw that cake in the freezer, let the buttercream freeze. Usually you can just pop the letters right off and start over. Usually. I don't want to promise anything, but that's what I do when I screw up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.